I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, I'm going to discuss about dictionaries. So at the end of this video, we'll be understanding what is dictionary, what is the relevance of dictionary in Python programming, what is the significance of this kind of data type in Python programming, how to represent the dictionary, and the simple program. Okay, suppose in the examination, you may get the question like, what do you mean by dictionary? Explain the significance of dictionary or write a simple program for representing the dictionary. Like that, you may get the question in the examination. How will you answer this? Yes. First of all, we'll understand that what is the meaning of a dictionary. Yes. So all of you, please pay the attention for a while. Dictionary is also known as hash map. Okay. It is a fundamental data type, or you can call it as a fundamental data structure in computer science and programming. So we call it as like a data type or data structure. Okay, it is also known as hash map, correct? So the main purpose is actually dictionary means if you want to find out a particular vocabulary, Britannica dictionary might have heard about that. So all the like letters, meaning, everything is arranged in a sequential and logical manner, correct? No. So say same way in this context, it is used to store and organize the data in the form of key value pair. Okay, key value pair. For example, we can say A for apple, A for apple, comma, B for bat. So there are certain vocabulary which is, this is called a key value pair. I think you understood. Key value pair. Key value pair. In dictionary, these data, this kind of data are mentioned in terms of key value pair. So one more important thing, the key maps can integer or other key maps can be a string. For example, I will tell you, A is a string, correct? No? A for 1, then B for 2. Like that also I can represent. In the sense, it will support different kinds of data type. A is a string data type. Here 1 is an integer, correct? No? So it is like we can map with integer and string. Okay, or string or float. Anything you can represent. In this code, dictionary is like how the dictionary is formulated. Open the flower bracket or braces. So like that, a dictionary will be represented. Okay, open the brace or flower bracket and you can close it. Inside, you will be putting the key value pair. Set for 26. Then K for 18. Like that, you can mention. I think you understood what is the meaning of dictionary. So you can easily store the data in this fashion. It is one of the popular data structure used in computer science and computer programming. Okay, so remember this particular point. Now, what are the characteristics of dictionary? What are the important characteristics of dictionary? The important characteristics of dictionaries are as follows. So first of all, the key point is key value. The data are stored, dictionary data are stored in the form of key value pair. So specific mapping will be there. It is unordered. It is unordered. That means the keys do not have any fixed order. You can make out your own convenience. It's a unique key. For example, each key within the dictionary must be unique. So consider a dictionary. Name of the dictionary is A. So I'll be writing like a 2 for bat, 3 for cat. This is one of the dictionary I am mentioning. So remember that it is the unique actually. Okay, 2 is mapped to bat, 3 is mapped to cat. Efficient retrieval. At any point of time, I can recall this particular value. That is called efficient retrieval. Similarly, variable data type. It supports 2 is an integer, bat is a string. It will support varieties of data type. So that is advantages of using dictionary. Okay, so I hope you understood the basics of dictionary. Now, creating the dictionary. How do you create a dictionary? You can use any kind of compilers. So I have used the Jupyter Notebook. So it is more convenient. So I used it. For example, my DACT, my underscore DACT is the name of the dictionary which I am going to assign. I'm opening the flower bracket. Then name is mapped to John. Name John. Age 30. City New York. Okay. Usually the string and all will be marking by using the double inverted comma. So if I put like a print my DACT name, that means you will be getting the output as John because name is mapped with John. So similarly, print my DACT age. Age is mapped with 30. I will be getting the output as 30. So please verify this program in your convenient compilers. Okay, interpreter. You can use any kind of convenient interpreter, either VS Code or online tool also available. So what are the differences between list and dictionary? You already familiar with the meaning of list. So what are the major differences between list and dictionary? It may ask in the Viva type question, Viva. Most of the Viva examination. Okay. If you are belong to a computer science student, sixth semester, you'll be having the advanced Python programming. You may get a question like difference between dictionary and list. So here in the items in the dictionaries are unordered, where items in the list are ordered. It does not matter in what order the key value pairs are typed in the dictionary, but the list which is kept in the order fashion. Dictionaries are not ordered. That cannot be sliced like list. The slicing operation is not possible. Okay, that is another specialty of a dictionary. If I go for a list, definitely I can go for slicing operation. You might have heard about slicing. I can segment, I can cut the particular portion and I can separate it. That is called a slicing. But the slicing is not supported by dictionary data type. So there is a simple program for demonstrating the dictionary, operation of dictionary. Like the name of the program is to store the data about your friend's birthday using the dictionary. So I have set of data my friend's birthday. I would like to store the friend's data in the form of a dictionary. How we can make out? So please use this logic. In the first option, add friend's birthday. In the second option, you have to find the friend's birthday. Third option, list all friends and their birthday. Ultimately, quit the program. This is a simple logic. Here, the steps are involved as function to add as a friend's birthday. Here you can read add friend's birthday function. Let us input a friend's name and the birthday. Then it adds to the information to the dictionary. Okay, basic things. The second step says that a function to find the friend's birthday. To find the friend's birthday function, take the friend's name and input, looks their birthday to the dictionary. If the friend is in the dictionary, return their birthday, otherwise none. Okay. Moving on to the third step, which I mentioned over here, function to list all the friends' birthday. The list friends' birthday function display of all friends and associated with the birthday stored in the dictionary. It also sets the dictionary to empty handle and display accordingly. So that is the meaning of function to list all birthday. Ultimately, you have to create the loop because if you want to have like a certain condition to meet the condition, you can follow the loop. Correct. So this is regarding the storing of friend's birthday in a dictionary form. So program also you can observe. Type the program in your convenient interpreter and verify. Same logic that I like mentioned in the previous slide, you can follow the same program also. Based on the logic only, we have implemented the program. So you can check it up function to add the friend's birthday. Similarly, function to find the friend's birthday. Here I am going to create a new user defined function. Later, function list of all friends and their birthday, creating the database, then creating the while loop. You are using the while loop, while and if condition statement. Okay, so ultimately the birthday that you can verify the program, then you will get exactly how that data will be stored in the form of a key value pair. So in this session, we understood how does dictionary work, what is the significance of dictionary, how to represent the dictionary, importance of like a key value pair, comparison between a dictionary and list, ultimately a simple program to store my friend's birthday, your friend's birthday. Okay, in the coming session, I would like to discuss about the dictionary method. That is most important because if you want to use the dictionary, how to make out that? What are the different concerning operations related to dictionary methods? If you have any questions related to this topic, please let me know. Kindly put up in the comment box. I'm happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are watching this channel first time, kindly subscribe. I request you to share the particular video for those who are teaching and those who are in the process of teaching and learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day.